Every pirate movie has it. The blindfold, the wobbling board, the splash. But in 300 years of recorded piracy, walking the plank almost never happened. So where did the idea come from? Real pirates didn't waste time with theater. If they wanted someone dead, they threw them overboard, cut their throat, or simply shot them. Historians have found fewer than 6 confirmed accounts of anyone actually walking a plank. Pirates needed speed, not spectacle. The myth was born on paper. In 1837, author Daniel Defoe and later Robert Louis Stevenson wrote pirate stories that made it famous. Newspapers reprinted the image endlessly. Within a generation, the public believed it was standard practice. The real punishments were far worse. Keelhauling dragged a man under the ship's barnacle-covered hull. Marooning left them on a sandbar with 1 bullet. Walking the plank was fiction. The truth was uglier.